Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So by the title, we're gonna be doing some brows. This brow routine is very simple. It's just a pencil. We ain't got no creams. We ain't need no brushes. We do need a brush for our concealer. It's totally drugstore, so everything I'll be showing you here is very cheap. And we're just gonna jump into this tutorial. First things first, I'm starting off with a NYX brow pencil. So this is the micro brow pencil by NYX. It is in the color Espresso. I love this brow pencil because it comes with the spoolie brush on the end, which we'll use to get our brows prepared to fill them in. And then on the other end is the pencil, which is like a roller. You don't have to sharpen it. You can just twist it to get the product to come out. Real close and personal, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and brush our brows up into position. Depending on your brow shape, I guess it would depend how you brush it. I like to brush mine up because it just gives my brow more of the actual shape of what it looks like. So I'll show you that here. So when I brush my hairs up, you guys can actually see the shape of my natural brow versus when they're all over the place and brush this way. Bash! Bash! I do not get my brows waxed, arched, or anything. I take care of my brows at home, and by that I mean I'll clean up with like a little razor right up under them, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go in with the NYX micro brow pencil, and everything will be in the description box below for your enjoyment, of course. I'm just going to go and basically trace the actual shape of my brow. So I'm gonna start at the beginning, and then I'm just gonna follow like a natural line, just like that. So you guys can see that harsh line at the bottom, and then there will be some little hairs that are out. These would be the hairs that I would clean if I was doing maintenance today, but it's gonna be fine. It'll look fine when we clean everything up with concealer. So after I do that bottom line, I just kind of go and shade in the areas that look a little sparse, like it was kind of sparse right there and up here. And once I do that, I just go and finish the tail part of my brow from the beginning. Now, I don't start right here because I like my brows to look really natural, and this is pretty full up here, as you can see. So I'll start like from the end, like right about here where it's looking a little sparse. After I do that, I'll just go in. You don't have to do this, I'm a little extra, but I like to go ahead and brush the brow hairs up once again, just to make sure that everything looks how I would want it to look before I set it with the brow gel. And it does, it looks great. So I'm gonna go in with the brow gel. This is also a NYX product, and it's that brow gel that's called Control Freak. And I just brush my brow hairs up, and the brow gel keeps the hairs up so that they don't move and be looking all crazy like this brow, just hair everywhere. So this basically is like edge control for your brows. Once I use my brow gel and all the hairs are in place the way that I like it, that's when I go in with my concealer just to clean it up. The LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm also going to take a flat concealer brush to go ahead and carve out my brows. You want to make sure the concealer brush that you use is flat and dense, because that is what's going to get you that real crisp line that we're going for. And this is about how much product I use on my brush. Basically, I just go in and carve out a line right up under the brow. And once you have the line, you're just going to take whatever product is left on the concealer brush and just blend out the product so that it's not like a lump of it anywhere, or there's nothing like really harsh. You just want it to look clean, like you got a wax. And this is the end result. I know my brow may look kind of big for some people, but just remember that I did actually go with my natural shape of my brow, and I have a really big face, so my brows aren't really going to be small. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow and just not talk and just let you guys observe once more. So this is what my brows look like after I finish my complete face. And this is my favorite brow. Like, boo, 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 boo. What? She is sexy. She alright. But y'all always know that brows ain't twins. They just sisters though. They sisters. They ain't twins. I always one gonna be better than the other. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions or what you thought. Was this cool? Y'all like little tips and stuff like this? You guys have any more makeup related videos like this? Also, if you're still here, leave me some eye emoji, because I don't know if they have an eyebrow emoji. If they have an eyebrow emoji, I would love to see that in the comment box below. But if not, you can just leave me the eyes looking like, what up, girl? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos here, and I'll see you guys in my next one.